Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. There's a little video of a Hyundai I10 we've recently upgraded. The car came in with the navigation unit that was faulty, so we've converted it to the standard I10 wiring loom and fascia trim, so we can actually use the hazard switch, the airbag, which you can't. There's no actual conversion for these vehicles. This is starting to be a popular conversion for the i10. This has got a KENWOOD DMX80AXS in, and this is a 9-inch screen using the ACV fascia trim adapter for a standard i10, and we've just converted all the buttons and airbag, etc. We have got all the steering wheel controls working with the volume up and down, and forward and back track, and also source and answer call. This unit has got FM and FM radio. It's got wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It has also, we've used the USB retention on here, so we've got a USB here that will work. So it's a good little upgrade for an entry-level car that hasn't got any of these facilities. If you'd like to have this done in your i10, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.